Hello students. In previous class we discussed about the properties of rational numbers. Okay, what are the properties we discussed today? First property is the closure property. Second one is the commutative property. Third one is the associative. Fourth one is the identity element. Fifth one is the inverse. Sixth one is the distributive property. Distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, those 5 properties we discussed. 6 properties we discussed. Okay, now we will start the exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, what is the first one? Name the property involved in the following. Just identification of property. This Roman is seems to be very simple, but 2 years before 4 marks question they given in an essay exam. Okay, very easy question. Identify the property. Which property it belongs to? Which property? Either closure, commutative, associative, identity. That means identity means multiplicative identity or additive identity. Inverse means multiplicative inverse or additive inverse. That property, distributive property, we have to identify. In those properties we have to identify. First is how we can identify. See, first one. Name the property of the involved in the following. Name the property involved in the following. Okay, what is the question here? First question. 8 by 5 plus 0 equal to 8 by 5. 8 by 5 plus 0 equal to 8 by 5 equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. Okay, can you identify this? Which property is it? Sum of any two numbers is, that means here 8 by 5 is adding with 0. 0 is adding. 0 is adding means which property is additive identity. Which property is 0 is adding. 0 is adding means which property is additive identity. Additive identity. 0 is adding means which property is additive identity. 0 is called additive identity. Next go for this one. Okay, 2 multiplying 3 by 5 plus 1 by 2. If you observe here, we can identify two basic operators. What are those? 2 multiply one operator. Next plus multiply you used in previous class. Which property? Here multiplication addition at a time you are getting. In the total statement we are getting two symbols, two basic operators. One is plus operator, one is the multiplication operator. 2 multiply 3 by 5 plus multiply plus we are getting means that is the distributive property. Which property is it? Distributive property. Distributive property. This is the distributive property. Now go for the next question. Third one, fourth one seems to be same only. If you observe here, but one only different. Here positive number multiplying with 1. 3 by 7 multiply with 1. 1 is 10 means we have to remember. Which one is called multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. 3 by 7 multiply with 1 we will get 3 by 7 only. Otherwise 1 is multiplying with 3 by 7 we will get 3 by 7 only. 1 is appear there. 1 is appear there means that is identity element. Which identity element is multiplicative identity? Multiplicative identity. Can you say fourth one? Which property it is? Minus 2 by 5 multiply 1. Minus 2 by 5 multiply 1 equal to minus 2 by 5. Here we are multiplying with which number? 1. We are multiplying with which number? 1. So can we say multiplicative identity? Okay, absolutely correct. Okay, you said. Okay, multiplicative identity only. This one also same only. This is multiplicative identity. This is multiplicative. Multiplicative identity is 1. A property is given to you. A condition is statement is given to you with 1 with multiplication. 1 with multiplication is given to you. That is called multiplicative identity. 0 with addition is given to you means that is the additive identity. We go for the remaining sums also. We go for the fifth one. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Calculate for questions. Okay, if you observe here, some more properties are given there. Fifth one. What is the fifth one? 2 by 5, 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 equal to after what is given? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. Compare these two. Is there any similar numbers are there? Okay, is there any similar numbers? Yes, similar numbers are there. 2 by 5, 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. But here first I added 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3, but change the order. Okay, it is in the form of which form it is? A plus B. A plus B equal to B plus A form. A plus B equal to B plus A form is which property is? Commutative property. Which property is? Commutative property. Commutative property. Next, go for the next example. Okay, I take two rational numbers 5 by 2 into 3 by 7. Multiplication after I got one result. Okay, it is which form it is? A into B equal to some P by Q form we got. A into B equal to some P by Q form we got. Then we can write this is closure property. Some product of two rational numbers is rational. Product of two rational numbers is rational. Product of two rational numbers is rational means what we can say closure property. Otherwise, if you continuation, they are given like this: 3 by 7 into 5 by 2. 3 by 7 into 5 by 2 means then we can take a commutative property. Next, this is a closure property. Sum of two rational numbers is product of two rational numbers is product is nothing but multiplication. Multiplication of two rational numbers is multiplication number. Next one, 7a plus or minus 7a. By adding two numbers, we are getting solution what is there? 0. By adding two numbers, we are getting result 0 means that is the additive inverse. That is the additive inverse. Addition of two rational numbers is 0. Addition of two rational numbers is 0 means that is called the additive inverse. That is called the additive inverse. Additive inverse. That means this is called additive inverse of this one. This is called additive inverse of this one. Next, product of two rational numbers is 1. If addition is 0 means additive inverse. Product of two rational numbers is 1. Product of two rational numbers is 1 means that is called the multiplicative inverse. That is called the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Last property you can you identify? Here 2 into x plus 2 into plus. We have to remember here we use two signs. Two operators we use plus operator, multiply operator. Plus operator, multiply operator use after. What is the question? Is the complete question you have to see. Which sign is there? Same sign you have to maintain it in both sides. Plus 2 plus 2. X plus x. 6 plus 6. That means it is which property? It is in the form of A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus C form. A into B plus A into C equal to A into B plus C form. This property is called distributive property. Distributive property. Distributive property. This is the first one. We will go to discuss the second one. In second number, what is the question here? Write additive and multiplicative inverse of the following. Write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means no need to hurry about that one. Just change the sign. Additive inverse means change the sign. I want to write shortcut here to additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. While writing that one, you have to remember additive inverse means change the sign of the number. Change the sign of the number. Multiplicative inverse means write the reciprocal. Write the reciprocal. Okay, we will write first question. Additive inverse. First question. 3 by 5. They are given nearly 5 questions are given. 3 by 5. For this, we have to write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. You have to write. Okay, we will write additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of minus 3 by 5. Minus opposite sign plus. Additive inverse of 3 by minus 3 by 5 is plus 3 by 5. Sum of two integers should be 0. Then those are called additive inverse. Next, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Wait, here only you can write, below only. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of the given fraction. Reciprocal of the given fraction. 3 by 5 reciprocal. Reciprocal is no need to hurry. Just reverse the fraction. 5 by 3. What is the sign here? Same sign only write. Don't change the sign. 3 by 5 reciprocal is 5 by 3. What is the sign here? Minus. That means if you add these two, you will get a solution 0. If you multiply these two, you will get solution 1. You will get solution 1. That is the additive inverse means change the sign. Additive inverse means change sign. Change sign of number. Okay, change sign of number. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal of number. Reciprocal of number. Okay, these two points you have to remember. Additive inverse means change the sign. Okay, this is also one time they given for 8 marks question. So we have to remember change the sign of the number is called additive inverse. Change reciprocal of the number is called the multiplicative inverse. Now 1 is given to you. Okay, additive inverse I am writing AI. AI of number 1 is 1 and multiplicative inverse is MI is 1. Additive inverse is 1, multiplicative inverse is 1. Next, third one. This is second one. Third one. AI means additive inverse. MI means multiplicative inverse. While writing examination, full form only you have to write. For time saving purpose only I am writing here. Okay. In short period I want to explain to you. Short form. Okay, 0. 0 is there. 0. Additive inverse. Additive inverse of 0 is 0 only. 0 is neither positive nor negative. That is not a positive number, that is not a negative number. Multiplicative inverse means 0. 0 reciprocal what is 1 by 0. Denominator 0 is there means result is undefined. Result is undefined. Okay, here one question we will get here. Which number having additive inverse and multiplicative inverse is same? 1 minus 1. These two numbers having additive inverse, multiplicative inverse same only. Okay, 1 minus 1 will have additive inverse and multiplicative inverse same. Which number having does not have multiplicative inverse? 0. 0 does not have multiplicative inverse because 0 means 0 by 1. That reciprocal is 1 by 0. 0 by 1 means 0 only. Whenever if numerator is 0, solution is 0. Whenever denominator is 0, solution is undefined. Solution is undefined. These two remember. When dividing with a 0 is number divided with any number, you will get solution 0. Other one is any number divided with 0. We can't do the division with 0. So result is undefined. Result is and next 7 by 9. 7 by 9. 7 by 9. Additive inverse is additive inverse of 7 by 9 is plus 7 by 9 is so minus 7 by 9. Minus 7 by 9. Okay, multiplicate inverse. Multiplicate inverse means reciprocal of that number. Reciprocal of this number means 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Similarly, fifth one. Minus 1. Can you say what is the additive inverse and multiplicative inverse of minus 1? Additive inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. Multiplicative inverse of minus 1 is minus 1. That is a Roman completed. Okay, now we will go for the fill in the blanks. What are the filling in the blanks here? One thing remember, additive inverse means change the sign of the given rational. Multiplicative inverse means write the reciprocal of the given rational. Third one, fill in the blank. Fill in the blank you can do yourself. Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. What is the question here? Minus 1 by 17 plus blank minus 12 by 5 plus minus 1 by 17. What is blank? We have to missing number we have to identify. Minus 1 by 17 equal to after we have two numbers only. Two numbers what we can do addition only we are doing. Minus 1 by 17 plus blank equal to minus 12 by 5 plus 1 by 17. Can you say answer for this one? Here two numbers are adding. Here also two numbers are adding. Here is there any same numbers on both sides? Either side both we have 1 by minus 1 by 17 and minus 1 by 17. Okay, these two are same. What are the remaining? We have blank 12 by 5 is there. Okay, so we have to get 12 by 5. This property is commutative property. A plus B equal to B plus C. A plus B equal to B plus A. Next, second one, minus 2 by 3 plus of bracket equal to 2 by 3. Okay, if you observe here, what we can add here? Minus 2 by 3. Okay, I want to, we have two numbers added there. By adding two numbers, I got one rational number. Here negative number adding. Negative number adding after, we are getting negative number only. 2 by 3 here. Result also 2 by 3. Okay, a number add with which number, we will get same number. A number add with which number? If you want to get a same number, 0. 0 we can write. Next one. Third one. 1 multiply dash equal to 9 by 11. 1 multiply dash 9 by 11. If you multiply 1 with any number, we will get same number. That means which number you should multiply to get 9 by 11? 1 is multiplying one number. Second number should be what will be to get 9 by 11? 9 by 11. By multiplying these two, we will get the same answer. Fourth one. 12 plus 5 by 6, 6 by 7 equal to 12 plus 5 by 6 plus blank. It is which property? For minus 12 plus 5 by 6 plus 6 by 7. Here we are using plus sign only. Three numbers are there. Minus 12 to 5 by 6 to 6 by 7. After equal to some addition is given there. Some addition is given there. Some okay. Whenever three numbers are given to you with addition or multiplication, that is the associative property. It is in the form of A plus B plus C form. A plus B plus C form. After which form we will get? A plus B plus C form we want to get. A plus B plus C. That means A plus B plus C. A value 12, B value 5 by 6, C value 5, 6 by 7. That means A value 12, B value 5 by 6, C value what is there? 6 by 7. Here fill with 6 by 7. Next one, fifth round. Blank plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 into blank. Okay, two sums I will add at a time. Minus 16 by 7 plus blank minus 16 by 7. Minus 16 by 7. Okay, see here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus wait. Here plus not a multiplication. Okay, equal to before part if you have here one number multiplied with the addition of two numbers. Multiplication addition means that is a distributive property. Distributive property means A into B plus C. A into B plus C equal to what is the formula? A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. A into B plus C equal to distributive formula. A into B plus A into C. Now, what is the A value here? Can you identify A value? 3 by 4. So, you write here 3 by 4. Missing numbers you have to fill in the equation. Next, B value 1 by 2. B value given. C value 1 by 3. C value fill with 1 by 3. Completed. We have to identify the property condition. Then only we can do the missing numbers very easy. Now we can say A plus which number? A plus which number? A. By adding A plus 0. By adding A plus 0, we can get the same number. That is the actual sum. Okay, completed. Okay, once you have to read the properties of the numbers using your textbook. Okay, say those 6 properties you have to cover. Next class we can continue.